Hi boys and girls, it's Shane. We're going to be looking at this property right here. I also have Shay and Jennifer with me. We're here to look at this house to see about possibly buying it.
It's my wife's, it's actually my ex-wife's house.
Okay. Well, I like it from the outside so far.
Yeah.
And we have parking and everything over on this side.
Built in 1903.
1903. Very
Got a great
cool.
porch.
Well, the porch is probably the thing that needs the most work.
I see a lot of rot on it for
Yeah.
sure. Things like that where
Yeah.
just water over years and
Well,
sunlight.
This floor wasn't that bad. It isn't that old.
Wow. I love features like this in older homes. We need to bring that back. Why do we not do this in more homes? It's just sad, isn't it,
I
dear?
agree. It's beautiful.
So,
Well, yeah,
the colors are nice.
Gotcha. Cool.
We have a transom,
I don't know if my
and this
wife-
is the opener for the transom, so that'll hold the transom open.
Oh, still intact with
Yeah.
with the opener.
Oh,
we
my.
we had dogs and cats in here.
Right.
We got two.
Are you going to sell this couch?
Couch goes with the property.
Okay, well, that increases the enticement. That's a cool couch. Very neat.
That couch?
That is a similar couch. Yes.
Very,
Yeah,
very
very
similar,
similar.
yeah. Okay. And how much are you wanting for this property? Do you know yet?
Talk to my ex.
Okay.
She's
Oh,
gonna
hi.
do all the negotiating. I'm just I kind of put you in touch with her. She put him in
I'm
touch with me.
disabled now,
Oh,
so
it's
that's
okay.
why I had to move. I can't get up the stairs anymore.
It's okay, I see. Well, my name is Shane. So,
Jennifer.
and this is Jennifer, and my
I'm just
friend
enjoying.
Shay is
I
back
love
here
that
somewhere.
the transoms are still
Yeah.
here.
Okay.
Are you okay if I catch you on camera any, or?
Yeah, that's
Okay, all right. Some people don't like to be on camera, but I want to.
So many of these
Kinda
things
look
have
around.
been taken out of all the houses.
Right, now these two are just fixed glass, but the rest in the house, and that one. But upstairs, they're all working, and the one by the front door is a working too.
That's amazing. So how much are you thinking for the house? Do you have a price in mind yet?
I do.
What do you got?
I just need to get out from under it, and
Okay.
I already bought another property that I'm moving
Right.
to. So I'm thinking 150.
150, okay. Well, depending on what we see in the condition, we might be able to make that number work, and I'll have to look at some comps, but
What would you call
Okay.
this space?
My real estate agent
We
said
call
they're
it
between 2
solarium.
and 220.
That's where she
Okay.
had all her plants in there.
all right, let's look in here in the kitchen. Oh my, look at this. This one is cool. I like the ceiling in this room.
It is. It's
That doesn't-
something I haven't. It just knocks you down. You see something.
Right. I don't think that's original. I think that was retrofitted in. 'cause
Oh no,
it would
it's
be,
definitely.
It would be tarnished
the
more,
person, The person that owned this house before we did,
right?
actually was trying to make it Italian. I think she was going some kind of
Okay, I can see that. This is kind of a Venetian plaster look almost in here. Yeah.
And then if you look in the bathroom, it's got that feel, plus the chandeliers are kind of
Right.
Venetian type
I'm
style.
gonna look in the backyard here. All right, this is cool. This is cool. Okay. The floors feel pretty solid and they look mostly intact.
Yeah,
The
this is actually
sanding
the
and
worst
stuff.
room where the refrigerator was there.
Yeah.
You can see where water.
I can also see this would have been a chimney, and I can see the sinking around this. So the chimney itself,
probably.
the weight of that is causing that to sink, which happens in older homes. Okay, then
This
we
was
have
an add-on.
an additional bedroom over this way. And then we have, is this the only downstairs bathroom?
Only downstairs bathroom. Yeah.
Okay. So we have tile.
This is what I'm talking about. That I
Right.
had the feel it's kind of
Hi, Shane.
Italian. Which we never really liked. We would
Right.
prefer it be more.
And this goes to,
That goes just
okay,
to the
I
hallway.
see. That goes to the hallway. Belonged to a bootlegger,
Okay.
and this was where they hid their stash.
Oh, that's very interesting.
Yep.
Ha.
Great.
Ladies first. Beautiful. And the home is beautiful too.
So it's got this does have several closets. It's got.
Okay. And this one also comes off, or no?
Yeah. Do you want to see that? I just did it.
Another place to hide some contraband. Cool.
That's a big closet.
Yep. Okay.
So this is what we use as a master bedroom.
Another closet?
And this has central heat and air,
Yes, it's got 2 units, it's got a lower unit and an upper unit.
so it's independently controlled. That's good.
Yeah.
Okay. It's got the cool Victorian baseboard still pretty intact.
This, yeah, all the, if you look even on the hinges, it has scroll work. There's scroll work even on, even for something like this, it's all scroll. I mean, every detail, there's detail in this.
Yeah, the details on the doorknob
I was,
and on the hinges themselves. That's so neat. Nobody's painted over it, which is a crime that happens to these older houses. Is some
now, the
slumlord
only
will get them
room-
and paint over it.
This particular room here has been hit twice by lightning.
Oh.
And burned, and
Okay.
so it's been rebuilt twice.
Well, that,
Okay.
that is.
Is there a
that's
lightning
pretty
rod
wild.
now?
I don't know, that's a good question.
Apparently it needs one.
We lived here 5 years.
Anything in here cool? Closet? And then that's a little bitty attic access up there.
That happened here too, so,
A lot of what?
a lot of spiritual haunted type things.
Oh, okay. I haven't heard any stories about this one before. So we got a clawfoot tub in here.
Yeah.
Hi, Shane.
Her name was Flower, give me a second.
So how much do you think we should offer on a house like this? How much do you think it's worth? There's a little fairy door
Oh yeah, that's on my wife.
on the stairs, so we've got some of the old
And then
black
moving, this
plaster.
last move, we created some more